inside of each of these containers, we have hundreds of these Bitmain models. And we actually have one right down here that they actually pulled out for us just to go ahead and take a closer look. So these models inside here are Bitmain S21 immersion units coming in at stock at 215 terahash. Now the nice thing about immersion is that with aftermarket firmware, you can overclock them or underclock them based off of the market, based off of your power condition. None of these have fans. They look very different. They never had fans, to be honest with you. They're fully designed for immersion.